Physics describes the law of nature. This description is quantitative and involves measurement and comparison of physical quantities. To measure a physical quantity, we need some standard unit.
Here our topic is units and measurement. Measurement, what is measurement? The comparison of measurement any physical quantity with its standard unit is called measurement. International system of units, that means SI system. The system of units contains 7 fundamental units and 2 supplementary units. Here 7 fundamental units are, first one is length, second one is your mass, third one is your time, fourth one is electric current, fifth one is temperature, sixth one is your luminous intensity, and seventh your amount of substance, Fundamental unit, this is fundamental quantity. And what is fundamental unit? This is your fundamental quantity, this is fundamental unit, Personal system of units. In short, you can write SI system. This system of unit contains 7 fundamental units, and here given 7 fundamental units and 2 supplementary units. Supplementary units are your radian and sterdian. Radian the unit of plane angle and sterdian the unit of solid angle. Here 7 fundamental units are given. Length, fundamental unit meter and symbol is small m. Mass, kilogram, fundamental unit and your symbol is kg. Time, second and your symbol is s. Electric current, ampere, and here symbol is A, capital A. Temperature, Kelvin, fundamental unit of temperature is Kelvin and unit is capital K. Luminous intensity, candela, that means you can write here CD in short unit, symbol, and amount of substance, mole, and in short you can write MOL. That means these are the 7 fundamental units. Now supplementary units. There are 2 supplementary units. First one is your radian. This is the unit of plane angle. And second one is sterdian. This is unit of solid angle. Plane angle is this one. This is plane angle, this is theta, this is r and this is L. That means theta is equals to L by r. Here solid angle is this one. This is solid angle, cone shape. This is the shape of cone. और ये हमारा एंगल है सॉलिड एंगल, जिसको हम स्टर्डियन यूनिट से मेजर करते हैं. Here in short you can write SR. Error of measurement. What is error of measurement? Difference in true value and measured value of quantity is called error of measurement. For example, मान लिया ये आपका एक घड़ी है और इस घड़ी में कोई भी आपका जो टाइम है वो आपको दिख रहा है. तो इसमें 3 तरह के विजन हो सकते हैं. या तो आप डायरेक्टली इसको देख रहे हैं एकदम सामने से, या फिर अगर आप लेफ्ट साइड से, या फिर एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट साइड से या राइट साइड से आप देख रहे हैं. तो तीनों में टाइम में आपको कुछ सेकंड का वेरिएशन मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल मान लिया दिस इज योर वॉच और इसमें हम अगर सामने से एग्जैक्टली देख रहे हैं तो ये आपको सेकेंड वॉच एकदम एग्जैक्टली थोड़ा सा यहाँ दिख रहा है। अगर इधर से देखेंगे इस साइड से एकदम एक्सट्रीम राइट साइड से, तो ये थोड़ा सा उठा हुआ इस साइड से दिखेगा। अगर एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट साइड से देख रहे हैं तो ये थोड़ा सा हटा हुआ दिखेगा। एक्चुअल जो है रीडिंग अलग है, दैट इज ट्रू रीडिंग, एंड हियर जो हमने जिस पोजीशन पे रहकर हम मेजर कर रहे हैं, दैट इज योर मेजर्ड वैल्यू। दैट मीन्स डिफरेंस इन ट्रू वैल्यू एंड मेजर्ड वैल्यू ऑफ क्वांटिटी, that means true value and measured value. That means you can write absolute error is equal to true value minus measured value. True value minus measured value, and measured value depends on your position, या फिर स्केल पे डिपेंड करता है, वो एरर आ सकता है। लेकिन ट्रू वैल्यू होगा वो एक फिक्स्ड वैल्यू होगा, एंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस इज योर एब्सोल्यूट एरर। नाउ व्हाट इज मीन एब्सोल्यूट एरर? मीन एब्सोल्यूट एरर इज द अरिथमेटिक मीन ऑफ magnitude of absolute error is called mean absolute error. Here if del A1, del A2, del A3 del AN are absolute error, are absolute error in n measurement, measurement, then mean absolute error, then mean absolute error is equal to, here del m is equal to del A1 plus मैग्नीट्यूड, दिस इज पॉजिटिव साइन, अगर मॉड दिया हुआ है दैट मीन्स कि अगर नेगेटिव है तो उसको हम पॉजिटिव बनाएंगे। दिस इज डेल A2, दिस इज डेल A3 एंड दिस इज डेल AN divided by n. This is the mean absolute error. Here what is relative or fractional error? Relative or fractional error, the ratio of mean absolute error, ratio of mean absolute error to the mean value is called relative or fractional error. That means you can write relative or fractional error is equal to del m, this is the symbol, and this is del am divided by am simply. This is the formula of relative or fractional error. Next term is percentage error. What is percentage error? What is percentage error? Relative or fractional error represented in percentage is called percentage error. For example, here you can write percentage error is equals to del am divided by am into 100%. If your relative or fractional error is represented in terms of percent, that means into 100%, that means you can write this is equal to percentage error. Error in sum or difference. Maximum absolute error in sum or difference of two quantities is equal to sum of absolute error in the individual quantities. If x is equal to a plus b or x is equal to a minus b, then del x is equal to plus minus del a plus del b, you can write. Now, error in product or division. Maximum fractional error in product or division of quantities is equal to sum of the fractional error in individual quantities. If x is equal to A into B, or x is equal to A by B, then you can write del x by x is equal to plus minus del A by A plus del B by B. X is equals to A to the power m divided by B to the power m, and absolute error in A and B are plus minus del A and plus minus del B. Then maximum fractional error is given by del x by x is equal to plus minus n del A by A plus m del B by B. Here absolute error are in A and B are plus minus del A and del B. Now significant figures. In measured value of a physical quantity, the number of digits about the correctness of which we are sure plus the next doubtful digit are called the significant figure. In addition and subtraction, decimal places in the result will correspond to the lowest number of decimal place in any of the number involved. In multiplication or division, the number of significant figure in the product or the quotient will correspond to the smallest number of significant figure in any of the number involved. State the number of significant figure in the given questions. Here 0.007 meter square. Significant digit is 1. Here significant digit in 2.64 into 10 to the power 24 kg, significant digit is 3, because all the non-zero digits are significant. Power of 10 are not taken in significant digit. And here in this question, in the number less than 1, the 0 on the right of the decimal part, but to the left of the first non-zero digits are not significant. So here significant digit is 1, and here significant digit is only this one, so 3. In question number 3, 0.2370, the number of significant figures are 4. In fourth also number of significant figures are 4, and in fifth 6.032 Newton per meter square, the number of significant figure is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means reason of these all are same, that is all the non-zero digit left to the decimal and trailing 0 are significant. In here this question 0.0006032, the number of significant figure is also here, only this one, that is 4.